Hello my sweet kids for grade 2. I will explain your science curriculum in episodes. If you are interested, please follow me. Our first chapter talking about plants. And this chapter have 3 lessons. Lesson number 1 with title What Living Things Needs. And lesson number 2 with title Plants Make New Plants. And lesson number 3 with title How Plants Are Alike and Different. I will explain this chapter in episodes. If you're interested, please follow me in the episodes. Lesson with title Plants Make New Plants. You will find this lesson in your textbook from page 29 to page 38. Okay, now let's start our third episode, but first don't forget to do like to this video and subscribe for my latest school for more videos. We have 3 new vocabs in this lesson. Please repeat with me. Flower, flower, seed, seed, pollen, pollen, flower, seed, pollen. Okay, you will know the meaning of them, but just a few minutes. Remember, plants are living things. All of you remember that plants are living things, right? And as all living things, plants reproduce. All of you know that plants reproduce. Reproduce meaning make new plants. As you see here in this picture, the big plant can make new small plants. As all living things, plants reproduce. Don't forget that. Now come back to our lesson title, Plants Make New Plants. Okay, teacher, how this big tree can make a small plant again? Well, the question now, how can plants make new plants or reproduce? By something called seeds. Seeds. So plants can make new plants by seeds. Can you see here? This is small particles called seeds. Here, can you see it? So how can plants make new plants or reproduce? By seeds. Okay. And this is some examples of seeds. Can you see here? All of you know some seeds. You can see it in the kitchen of our home. Now, all of us agree that plants can make new plants by something called seeds. Okay, the question now, where do seeds come from? Or where can we find seeds? We can find seeds inside fruits. Yeah, okay, if you bring an apple and you cut it into 2 pieces, you can find a small brown thing inside. What is this? This is seeds. As you see here in this picture, the small brown thing that you can see inside an apple, this is the apple seeds. Okay, this seed grow to be an apple tree. What amazing things! This is small seed can be an apple tree? Yes. So fruits are the home of seeds. We can find seeds inside the fruit. So the fruit, we can call the fruit the home of seeds. That seeds live inside the fruit. Okay, so now where do seeds come from? Seeds, we can find seeds inside fruits. Okay, now we can find seeds inside fruit. What is the part of plants that make fruits? Do you know? Which part of plant make fruits? Which part of plant that make fruits? Can you see this plant? Can you see the tomato here in this plant? Okay, which part of plant make the fruit? Flower. Flower is the part of a plant that can become a fruit. Flower, this word in your new vocab, flower is the part of a plant that can become a fruit. As you see here, this yellow flower up, when it grow more, it will be a tomato fruit. As you see down. So, flowers is the part of a plant that make fruits. Don't forget that. Conclusion. Come with me to repeat our lesson briefly. Look here, can you see these plants? Flowers is a part of a plant that make fruits, okay? So which part of a plant make fruits? Flower, okay? Come to fruit. Fruits have seeds inside, and seeds make a new plant. So, which part of a plant that make a new plant, that can make a new plant? Of course, seeds. Okay, where can we find seeds? Inside fruit. Which part of a plant make fruit? Flowers. Is that clear for you now? So flowers make fruits, and the fruits have seeds inside, and the seeds make a new plant. Pollen. Come to a new word inside our vocab. Pollen. What does pollen means? What is pollen? Pollen is a sticky powder inside flower that help a plant to grow, as it has many seeds. Look here, this is the pollen as you see in the picture. Can you see this flower? This flower has pollen inside. What is the pollen? Pollen is a sticky powder like the flour in your mother kitchen. This is powder, but something sticky, okay? So sticky powder inside the flower help a plant to grow. How it can help a plant to grow? As it has many seeds inside. So it will help a plant to make a new plants and grow. Okay. Pollen have seeds inside that help a plant to make a new plant. Okay, how can pollen move? Now we need the pollen to move from this flower to go to the soil to make a new plant. How this happen? Boy? Birds. Birds can carry pollen from the flower and put it on the soil. So birds can help a pollen to move. And what else? Bees. And also bees, when it stands on the flowers, it will carry the pollen on their legs like birds and then fold them on the soil, making a new plant. And what else? Water. When the rain falls on the plant, it will carry pollen down to the soil, so help in making a new plant. Wind, and also wind, when the wind comes, it will help to fold the pollen down to the soil and then making a new plant. So how can pollen move? By four things: birds and bees, water and wind. Birds, bees, water, wind. So when I ask you how can pollen move? Boy, birds, bees, water, wind. Birds and bees can carry the pollen with their legs and then fold them on the ground or the soil, help in making a new plant. and water when the rain fall. It will fall the pollen down, and also the wind. That clear for you? Okay. Let's move to the next slide. Okay, now the seeds move from the flower or from the fruit or from the pollen inside the flower by birds and bees, water and wind. Now, what do seeds need to grow? Seeds need soil or space to grow in, soil to put the seed inside and grow. So, it needs soil. And what else? Sunlight. Seeds need sunlight to grow. And what else? Water. We need to water the seed to grow, and seeds need water to grow. And what else? Air. Seeds need air to grow. So, what do seeds need to grow? Soil, sunlight, water, and air. Soil, sunlight, water, and air. Question time. Now choose the correct answer. Which part of a plant can make a new plant? Roots, stem, seeds. Please choose the correct answer and put it in the comments. Don't forget. Okay, the question now. How can you plant a new plant in your home? What is this question? What I will do? No problem. Provide the good conditions for growth. How? First, bring a seed. To make a new plant, bring a seed and then provide the conditions. Provide soil to put in, sunlight, and water. And wait watching it your plant for grow. It's so easy, right? So now, try to make a plant using a seed from your kitchen. And when it grows, take a picture and leave it in the comments. Let me see your plant.